Pegu Dangoria, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Vishwabharati University, Professor Arabinda Mandal, Guwahati Vishwavidyalaya Honmaniyo Upacharya, Professor Noni Gopal Mohanto Dangoria, Bhattodev Vishwavidyalaya Honmaniyo Upacharya, Professor Dhanpati Deka Dangoria, Birangana Hoti Khadhoni Rajyik Vishwavidyalaya Upacharya, Professor G. Singhaya Dangoria, Cotton Vishwavidyalaya Honmaniyo Upacharya, Professor Ramesh Chandra Deka Dangoria, Srimanto Shankardev Sanghor Pradadhikar Bhavendranath Deka Dangoria, Kuhum Mohanto Dangoria, Uposthit Bishishto Byaktikokol, Hudhi Mondoli. অসমৰ জাতীয় জীৱনৰ প্ৰাণ প্ৰতিষ্ঠাপক মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ নামত বিশ্বভাৰতী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ত এখন আসন প্ৰতিষ্ঠাৰ বাবে অসম চৰকাৰ আৰু বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ মাজত আজি আনুষ্ঠানিক চুক্তি এখন সম্পাদিত হৈছে। এনে এক মহত্বমহীয়ান অনুষ্ঠানত উপস্থিত থাকিবলৈ পাই মই নিজে গৰ্বিত অনুভৱ কৰিছো। অসমবাসীৰ হৈ মই বিশ্বভাৰতী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ উপাচাৰ্য অধ্যাপক অৰবিন্দ মণ্ডল আৰু বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় কৰ্তৃপক্ষক ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা যাচিছো। I'd like to thank the Vice Chancellor Professor Arvind Mandal and the entire team of Vishwabharati University for this partnership with our government. This landmark partnership only reflects Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore's vision for Vishwabharati. He said, Vishwabharati represents India, where she has her wealth of mind, which is for all. Vishwabharati acknowledges India's obligation to offer no other the hospitality of her best culture and India's right to accept from others their best. Today, through this memorandum of understanding and expressing their commitment for establishment of the share, Vishwabharati has accepted one of the best wealth of knowledge that Assam could offer to the world through the contribution and creation of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. The government of Assam has already established Srimanta Shankardev's share at Jawaharlal Nehru University and Punjab University to foster research and study on the life and works of Srimanta Shankardeva, his teachings and ideology, and the Bhakti movement in Assam. Today, our government and Vishwabharati University have signed this MOU to give further boost to our effort to spread more awareness about the Shankardeva and his contribution. For this share, Government of Assam will offer all required cooperation so that both Government of Assam and Vishwabharati can work together for achieving our common objective. The objective of the share is to extend the study and research on Srimanta Shankardeva and the Bhakti movement beyond the borders of Assam and India. The share will encourage study and research outside Assam on the Bhakti movement in Assam with particular reference to the life, teachings and works of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva and his followers. The share will also facilitate study of contemporary Indian situation and highlight Srimanta Shankardeva and his movement in the Indian context. Another important objective of the share is to mobilize students and researchers outside Assam to undertake study and research on the history, literature, culture and institution of Assam. The share will also facilitate doctoral and postdoctoral research on the Bhakti movement, organize seminar, conference, lectures, etc. on Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva, his works, and on the as a whole on the Bhakti movement. Few years back, our government has declared that we want to establish a Sayer in the name of Srimanta Shankardeva in 5 reputed universities of India. Today, we have, with this MOU, we have extended Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva Sayer in 3 universities. In days to come, we will set up more Sayers, basically 2 Sayers in other 2 reputed university. Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardevor Shikha aru tekhetor adarshok Bharatborshor onnyanyo rajyor majoloi loi joar babe ই আমাৰ এক বিনম্ৰ প্ৰয়াস। আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে 15 শতিকাত ভাৰতৰ আকাশত কেইবাগৰাকীও মহাপুৰুষৰ আবিৰ্ভাৱ হৈছিল আৰু সেই সময়ত সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষতে ভক্তি আন্দোলন কৃষ্ণ আন্দোলনে এটা নতুন ৰূপ পাইছিল। কিন্তু ভাৰতীয় প্ৰেক্ষাপটত আমি ৰামানুজম, চৈতন্য, বল্লভাচাৰ্য, মাধৱাচাৰ্য এখেতসকলৰ জ্ঞান গম্ভীৰ যিবিলাক শিক্ষা তাক আমি আজি ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ যিকোনো প্ৰদেশত থিয় হৈ সেই জ্ঞানৰ আমি যি আদৰ্শ বা যি তত্ত্ব আমি আহৰণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ। যেতিয়া চৈতন্যদেৱৰ কথা কওঁ, অসমৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষখনে চৈতন্যৰ বিষয়ে জানে, ৰামানুজমৰ বিষয়ে জানে, বল্লভাচাৰ্যৰ বিষয়ে জানে, মাধৱাচাৰ্যৰ বিষয়ে জানে, কিন্তু মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ বিষয়ে আমাৰ জ্ঞান সদিয়াৰ পৰা ধুবুৰীৰ ভিতৰত সীমিত হৈ আছে। তাৰ এটা ডাঙৰ কাৰণ আছিল যে আমি যিসকলে মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱক বিশ্বাস কৰোঁ, তেখেতৰ আদৰ্শক বিশ্বাস কৰোঁ, আমাৰ মাজত এটা প্ৰথমৰ পৰাই এটা চিন্তাধাৰা সোমাই থাকিল যে আমি অসমৰ ভিতৰতে মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱক আমি জীয়াই ৰাখিম। কিন্তু মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ এটা সমগ্ৰ মানৱ জাতিৰ সম্পত্তি। তেখেতৰ শিক্ষা, তেখেতৰ ইতিহাস, তেখেতৰ যিটো চেতনা, এই চেতনা অসমৰ সীমাৰেখাৰ ভিতৰত বন্দী হৈ থকা চেতনা নহয়। মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱে পৰিৱেশ, পাৰিপাৰ্শ্বিকতা, যি জাতিবাদৰ বিৰুদ্ধে তেখেতৰ যি সংগ্ৰাম, এই গোটেই সংগ্ৰামবিলাকে অসমৰ পৰিধি ভাঙি সমগ্ৰ মানৱ জাতিক আকৃষ্ট কৰে। কিন্তু আজি আমাৰ বাবে দুৰ্ভাগ্য যে আমি মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ এই চেতনাক আমি ভাৰতবৰ্ষ আৰু ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ বাহিৰত বিশ্বৰ বুকুত আমি লৈ যাব পৰা নাই। আজি আমি এটা বিনম্ৰ প্ৰয়াস এটা আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলোঁ যে ভাৰতৰ 5খন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ত যদি স্কলাৰসকলে মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ, ভক্তি আন্দোলন, অসমত তাৰ প্ৰভাৱ আৰু গোটেই ভক্তি আন্দোলনৰ জৰিয়তে মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱে কেনেকৈ এটা ভাৰতীয়ত্ববোধৰ চিন্তা সমাজত লৈ আহিছিল, তাক আমি প্ৰচাৰ আৰু প্ৰসাৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আমি আগবাঢ়ি যাব লাগিব। If we study the contemporary philosophies of 1500th century, you will not find a scholar who was more devoted to the cause of nationalism than Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva. Throughout his writing, he upheld India's tradition, India's culture, India's Sanatan philosophy, and because of his strong ideal and teaching, he could translate entire Hindu community in Assam in one community which goes beyond caste and creed. Today, because of teaching of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva, we do not talk about any of our caste identity. We only invoke our identity as a Assamese. We do not invoke our identity in terms of jati and upajati. That is the teaching of Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva, because he united to he was able to create a society which travel beyond this narrow thought and narrow idea. Nobody has succeeded the way Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva has succeeded to establish the bhakti movement in his divine space. Today, if we study the contemporary other philosophers of those time, they may have a impactful philosophy, but they could not translate the philosophy to the practically in the society itself. They may have a much better philosophy, they must have a better ideology, but they have not able to set up a society, to establish a society which is similar to the philosophy. Today, Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva has established a society which is according to his philosophy. He has not confined his knowledge within the philosophy. He was also a practical practitioner who translated his philosophy into action, and that is why we see a Assamese society which is beyond any narrow thought process. It is a very widely accepted society. We accept everybody. Today in our Namghar, nobody asks what is your name, what is your title. Everybody is accepted in our Namghar. And today we can very proudly say that he has inspired the oppressed class most to accept his philosophy, and that is why today the oppressed section of Assamese society is more attached to Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva than the more intellectual or knowledgeable people. That was the strength of his philosophy. I feel that nobody has studied in the Indian context the teachings of Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva. A person who was born in the remotest part of the country, but wrote books, wrote his philosophy on the theme of Bharat Bandhana. Assam was always segregated politically from rest of the India, because during the Mughal period we remained isolated from Mughal, and we were isolated from the political landscape of the Indian subcontinent. But when we were isolated from political landscape, Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva was always aware that culturally we are under one thought process, culturally we are one, and that is why he could have strongly written about Bharatvarsh while getting birth in the remotest part of the India. No contemporary philosophers of his time has so richly paid the tribute to the Indian nationalism the way Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva has done in his period of time. 500 years ago, you can imagine the time, you can imagine the political situation. The contemporary kings of Ahom were not subjected to any Indian rulers. They were independent rulers. But yet, Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva has propagated the idea of cultural India, which is very, very strange, which is very, very unique, and you cannot see it in the writing of any other contemporary philosophers. He was a unique person. He was a gift of God to this land, and we could not generate that kind of enthusiasm around Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva. That was the collective failure of the Assamese society of last 500 years. I am confident that our new generation will do more and more, because Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva, his teachings are not for the only for between Sadia to Dhuburi. It was a universal thinking, it was a universal thought, and it was mean for every human races of this world. I think that today, whatever the small work we are trying to do with Vishwabharati, with JNU, with Punjab University, those will become someday a structured learning on the Mahapurush Srimant Shankardeva philosophy and thought process. That is my hope, and I feel that this kind of small contribution, very small contribution but this small contribution can become a very big in days to come. I am sure that Assam's future generation will carry forward this legacy. Time should come where every university should teach about Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. That should be our ideal, and with this I compliment Education Department, I compliment Vishwabharati University for taking up this challenge. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.